Hey, what's up guys? Bilal here from Braven Technologies, and today we present you DesignoProV2. After the success of the first version of Designer Pro and huge demand of new features for Designer, we hereby introduce you Designer Pro V2, and we have included all those features that were demanded most by our precious customers. So let's get started. This is, as you can see, is the first look of Designer Pro V2. So let's get started. First thing you notice about Designer Pro version 2 is the whole new UI, and you can also see new templates, the visual 3D templates like these 3D boxes and these ebook covers and magazines. Now we have introduced some wearable designs as well as per our requests from the buyers, and we have introduced t-shirts and gloves, and we are constantly adding more and more graphics into Designer Pro version 2, the wearables and stuff. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and sign in. After signing in, you can see some of the new features right there on the top, like open cloud projects, which means that now the users can save these projects, the things they create, on the cloud and access them anywhere in the world with just a click. And moreover, there is unlimited cloud storage for them. Moving on, now there's a new feature called add custom fonts. Now most of the users want their own fonts in the designs, so they demanded us for this new feature that there should be a add custom font option. So right there we added this most important feature about adding custom font. All you gotta do is click add custom font, select your font, like for example right there I want to add this font, just click it and select open. Now this font has been added into the Designer Pro. Moving on, we can see the web API documentation feature. Now what is a web API? It's that when users want to use our Designer Pro designs into some other softwares, the other software can integrate this Designer Pro API inside their softwares, and the users of that software can access their Designer Pro designs and all the templates that are included in Designer Pro in that software. Now this is something amazing right here. All you gotta do is just enter the category like flyers and the API key. For demo I have 1 2 3 4 5. I'll hit search. Now this is the URL that the developers of the next software will use, and they can access all the designs of Designer Pro. So let's move on and see what more we have in Designer Pro V2. Click on any design you want to edit. It will take you to the legendary Designer Pro V2 editor. The first thing you notice in the editor is that this popular color scheme right there has extended. More refined colors are added to this popular color scheme so that our users can choose from the variety of popular colors. Now this was something that users demanded much, so we had to just put it there. Okay, now let's explore more about the Designer Pro V2 editor. You can see that there are improvements, like we have inserted this ruler right here that moves with the canvas so that people can scale their content better. This was really asked a lot by our customers. And now let's just go ahead and edit some of this 3D design. Let's say I want it to be blue. I want this to be blue but in a darker shade. Okay, so once you are done, you can save it to the cloud by just clicking save project to cloud. Enter the name 3D box 2. Here you go, the project has been saved. All you gotta do is go ahead and click open cloud project and you can see the project I have saved, 3D Boxed 2. You can edit it. It will take you back to the Designer Pro editor. This is how you can access this design anywhere in the world with single click. Now we have seen some more features in the file menu, that we have export SVG with fonts. Last time in the Designer Pro 1 there was a lot complaint that the SVG is not being exported with fonts, but normally SVGs don't come with fonts. But with this new technology in Designer Pro V2, we are able to export an SVG with fonts. Now Adobe Illustrator was not able to do that, but we just did it in Designer Pro V2. All you get to is click SVG with fonts. It will ask for the file name, hello world. It's okay. Now let's open it. You can see the fonts are same as it were in the design actually. Now these fonts have been embedded into the design, and this is something really cool that our customers would really like. And moving on, now there is an option to export this design to PDF. Now just enter this SVG to PDF and click the name, enter the name you want, hello world 2, and you can see the PDF design exported for you in vector. This is just so simple with Designer Pro V2. Some of the features that were really demanded in Designer Pro 1. So you can see that there are many improvements in Designer Pro V2, including the adding custom font features, web API, saving the project to cloud, and much more. The PDF conversion, saving to PDF, saving SVG with fonts. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.